Welcome to Wolf Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2021 Chevrolet Blazer. This Blazer is featured in the LT trim and is a white paint finish. It includes features such as our powered liftgate, backup camera with adaptive guidelines, our alloy wheels, Android Auto and Apple Carplay, heated front seats, as well as our engine start-stop. Now into the front of the vehicle, we can see we have our chrome door handle. Just beyond the door handle, our door locks. Moving down to the door panel itself, we can see we have our power outside mirrors with our blind spot monitor as well. We have our window locks, our powered windows with one-touch up and down driver windows. In the bottom of the door, we have some storage, as well as the button for our powered liftgate. Up to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have all of our lighting controls. Moving to the center, we have our digital information cluster. We can see in the center we have additional information, including our speed, our trips, as well as our fuel information, oil life, tire pressure, and much more. Moving to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have all of our cruise setting, as well as our forward collision button. On the right-hand side of the steering wheel, we have all of our hands-free settings, as well as our wheel to adjust our center cluster gauge. Moving to the middle, just to the left of our info system, we have our start-stop button, as well as our auto engine start and our hazard lights. Moving to the middle, we can see our touchscreen infotainment system. On the left-hand side, we have a button to open our glove box for our passenger, as well as our ABS. Below that, we have our heated seats on either side. In the middle, we have our dual front zone climate control. All of our fans and our defrosters are in the center. And to change our heat, we have through our wheels, and we can see that it displays on our screen. Then between those two wheels, we have a USB and a USB-C. And below some storage. We can also see our key here. We can see we have our door locks and unlocks, our remote starter, as well as our tailgate, and our alarm system. Then we have two cup holders next to our leather wrap shift knob, and our drive mode select, as well as our sensors and lane keep assist. We can see we have two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, our sport mode, our off-road, as well as our trailer modes. Then just below our center console, a little bit of extra storage. We have our leather finish center console, which we can open up. It contains a 12-volt plug, as well as deep storage. Moving across to our seats, we can see that they are finished in a black cloth and are heated in the front of the vehicle. Then lastly, moving above our rear view mirror, we have our OnStar buttons, our rear check reminder button, our lighting controls, our garage door memory, and lastly, our sunglass holder. Now walking down the side of the Blazer, we can see that our alloy wheels with Chevrolet bowtie center cap. Moving up, we have our paint match mirrors with our integrated turn signal, as well as our blind spot monitoring. We have our paint match keyless entry door handles. In the back of the vehicle, we can see that we have our black bowtie emblem, as well as our Blazer all-wheel drive on the left-hand side. Opening the rear of the vehicle, we can see that we have our power liftgate. Inside the back of the vehicle, we have 60/40 folding second row seating, as well as plenty of storage. And then our button to close is on the left-hand side. Now moving to the rear of the vehicle, we can see once again our chrome finish door handle, as well as our window control, and some additional storage in the bottom of the door. Moving inside, on the driver and passenger seat, we have our magazine holders. In the middle, we have our dual vents for the back, just above a USB and USB-C plug. Our seats in the back are featured in the same black cloth that the front was. In our center seat, we have two foldable cup holders, and we have 60/40 folding seating in the rear of the vehicle. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2021 Chevrolet Blazer. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolf Chevrolet soon.